So hello and welcome to Ref Sports. I'm Shubhayan Chakravarti. With me is Debashish Sen, and it was a washout between Punjab Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders at the Eden Gardens yesterday, and second consecutive time in 2 years that this particular game at the Eden Gardens has seen rain gods play spoil sport. But one decision which is being talked about throughout the social media, be it among fans or among the former cricketers or experts, is that why did Ajinkya Rahane choose to bat first on a day where rain forecast was there, and we saw what Xavier Bartlett did in his first over. Debash, is the a decision which surprised you as well?
Not only me, it surprised a maximum number of people. Means, how can you, with so much of forecast of showers, how can you win the toss and decide to bat first? And given that had the match restarted, KKR would have been left with only 8 balls, and Punjab Kings would have got the advantage of having those entire 5 overs.
Right.
So clearly, it would have been advantage for Punjab Kings as the match restarted. But fortunately for the Knight Riders, the umpires had to call off the match, which means they had to be satisfied with 1 point. But clearly, it was Punjab's game to lose.
Absolutely, and due to wet outfield, although the entire ground was covered, but since it was torrential rain, heavy thunderstorm, extreme level of winds, the wet outfield, the ground staff, despite their best of efforts, they could not ready the ground in time of 11:14 p.m. of cut-off time. So that was it. But Xavier Bartlett, phenomenal first over, 2 wickets there, one of Finn Allen, the second of Cameron Green, similar delivery, similar dismissals. But Debashish, the Finn Allen has still given starts, but Cameron Green, despite that 25.20 CR of price tag, he has failed to deliver with the bat. He's not bowling, that's a different story altogether, but with the bat also, he has looked pretty outright mediocre, if I have to say.
Absolutely, mediocre is the right term. And obviously he is not being able to bowl. Now his contribution so far has been only 22 runs.
And he had a poor T20 World Cup for Australia.
Poor T20 World Cup. So and you invest so much of money, and the output has been obviously very, very poor. And that brings to my mind is why is Kolkata Knight Riders management not looking up to someone like a Rachin Ravindra or a Robman Paul? Yes, Robman Paul was included in the game against Punjab Kings, but obviously you have a Tim Seifert, you have a Rachin Ravindra. So lot of concerns, Shubhayan, if you ask me. And you do not know when a Matisha Pathirana will be available. When
although he's expected to join the team this week.
Yeah, so the batting has been a concern. Bowling has been a letdown. So I don't know from here on whether, especially with the game coming up against Lucknow Super Giants, they will have their tails up after the win in the last match. So a lot of things to worry about for Kolkata Knight Riders.
And when Ajinkya Rahane completed the toss, and when he said that Varun Chakravarti and Sunil Narine both are not playing, Varun due to an injury, I don't know where he picked up that injury, because after taking that catch in the last game, he was out there on the field for the entirety of the 20 overs, and he had a slight indoor net sessions as well on the eve of that game against Punjab Kings. So I don't know where Varun Chakravarti picked up that injury. And Sunil Narine, he was there with the team, but Ajinkya Rahane said he was unwell. He was even bowling during the warm-ups as well. So this was the first time since 2019. That was a game against Delhi Capitals at the Arun Jaitley Stadium, where both Sunil Narine and Varun Chakravarti did not play. So after 7 years, these two did not feature in the playing 11. A decision that was surprising, because Varun, of what we got to know from the indoor sessions photos as well, he was bowling, he looked pretty normal.
Yeah, absolutely. But I think it will be kind of a blessing in disguise for Varun. He is low on confidence. You can understand. Means obviously this break. Obviously the next game is on the 9th
against Lucknow.
But at least he will have couple of days to regroup, maybe switch over from cricket and spend time. But obviously he is very much low on confidence. But where did that injury come from? Means it baffles me. Whether means always don't go by my words, but surprising.
It was surprising. It was surprising indeed. Navdeep Saini was brought into the playing 11. and of course Varun and Sunil Narayan was missing out. So Navdeep and Rogman Powell came into the 11, and that was something which came as a change for Kolkata Knight Riders. But again, that start with the bat was not good enough, and all was left out on Ajinkya Rahane and Ankush Raghuvanshi to rebuild that innings before rain gods played a spoil sport here at the Eden Gardens. But on 9th as well against Lucknow Super Giants, there is a bit of rain forecast. So don't be surprised if that match also gets called off because of the Kal Boishaki period here in Kolkata. So rain is pretty much going to be a frequent thing in the coming days.
But Shubhan, what to make out of Ricky Ponting? He do not seem to be very satisfied because Punjab Kings head coach would have loved to get 2 points.
Absolutely, both Ricky Ponting, Shreyas Iyer, when they were out on the field, they were desperate to get that game going, get that game restarted. But and they knew that they were in an upper hand. They had an upper hand over Kolkata Knight Riders, so they would be disappointed to not get all those 3 points from this game. But for Kolkata Knight Riders, I think they would be a happy bunch of group getting this 1 point.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm happy, but not so for Cricket Association of Bengal because they boasted of a great ground drainage facility.
Yes.
But today will be one of, I would assume that it's a one-off instance because a lot has been spoken about the drainage facility here at the Eden Gardens.
The only ground to be fully covered
exactly,
in India.
and then to see the match to be called off because of wet outfield, Shubham, means obviously this will be debatable. And we also saw Saurav Ganguly,
Sujan Mukherjee,
CB president,
yes.
Sujan Mukherjee being out there in the middle, having a word with the match officials. So clearly not a good advertisement when it comes to the drainage facility.
I felt the ground was okay to be played for a 5-over match, but of course they are better judge. The match referees, the match umpires, they were better judge to see whether there were patches of wet outfield or patches of water somewhere near the boundary circle. Maybe that was the reason that the match was called off. But again it was pretty heavy. The rain was pretty heavy. Hats off to all the ground staff, all the volunteers who were out there sitting on the cover so that the covers don't get peeled off due to the heavy wind. But again, as Debashis also said, I think Cricket Association of Bengal would have expected better outcome in case of such rain, and maybe with rain forecast around for this entire week, maybe they will be better prepared for the match on the 9th against Lucknow Super Giants. But yeah, I mean 1 point each for Kolkata Knight Riders. KKR have finally opened their account, we can say, despite not so many good decisions out there on the field. But yes, this was it for this game when it comes to Punjab Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders at the Eden Gardens. Do let us know what you think about Ajinkya Rahane's decision to bat first with the weather around, and of course the changes in the playing 11. Let us know your comments in the comment section, and hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel for all the updates related to IPL and from all the updates all around the sporting world. Thank you so much.